Hello, I am Dr. Urmila Nischal, consultant dermatologist and aesthetic dermatologist at Nirmal Skin and Hair Clinic, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Skin rejuvenation, which is done with the help of lasers, is called as photofacial. So lasers or light. Photofacial can be done with the help of lights like intense pulse light or with lasers like Q-switch NDR laser or long pulse NDR laser. So what happens in a photofacial is that there is deeper stimulation of the skin cells, the collagen, the fibroblast and other skin cells. So the laser light goes deeper, it hits the collagen tissue. So there is two effects, it is photoacoustic and photothermal. So because of the heat and also because of the acoustic effect of the particles bumping onto each other, there is remodeling of the collagen and there is stimulation of the elastic fibers in the skin. So the skin becomes more tighter and supple. So photofacial is definitely the facial of choice if you are looking something for an anti-aging treatment. Now, how does it help in treating the sunspots? Photofacial, if it is done with either intense pulse light or with Q-switch NDR laser, this laser absorbs the melanin which is there at the surface level and reduces the melanin which is there in the brown spots. So when you do it, of course it's not going to take place in a single session. So when you do repeated sessions of this, definitely you get the skin tightening, skin rejuvenation, reduction in the fine lines and also reduction in the brown spots because of the absorption of the melanin by the laser light.